Hello everyone, in this video we will explain a very simple way to solve a problem that appears for Windows 11 users while running some software. For example, I will try to install a torrent program. This message appears saying Smart App Control blocked this app. Okay, let's begin. From Start menu, go to Setting, then go to Privacy and Security, Windows Security. Then go to App Browser Control, Smart App Control Settings, and set the option off. Set this option off. Yes, I'm sure. We can now open those applications that we were unable to open before. You can see. Okay. After finishing installing them, we can turn the option back to on by following those steps. In search, write Registry Edit. Choose this file, System, CurrentControlSet, Control, CI, Policy, Modify, change value to 1. Now you can see it is on again. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and thank you.